Now we're in Perry, Oklahoma, and we're gonna go check out another hidden gem rare car wash here. Now I have to turn around, go around from the back side. But yeah, the machine is still there. First new star for me, and it's a super Comet. These things are really cool. Okay. I'm trying to think I want to pay for this one. Oh, this thing looks too cool. Yeah, look at that. Be right back, I gotta swap my battery. Anyway, your stuff. So there's your little wash menu. Pause to read that. There you go. And then air fresheners. I have no idea if this thing accepts 20s though. I don't need a ton of quarters. I think I'm gonna make pay with card again. Maybe the wash after this might be cheap enough because it's like a really old machine. But yep, we're gonna go ahead and get the 10. Yeah, it shows 10 there. Let's see. Try swipe again. Oh yeah. You'd think you'd face the mag stripe with the big chunk on the carburetor, not the small chunk. Did it not go? No, I'm curious. No, maybe I did have it right the first time. Verifying card. Sale approved. There we go. You hear the hydraulics starting up. This is gonna be another really cool wash. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, wow. The wands are all on 3 pivoting posts. That is really cool. Presoak is a little watery. And now we get trifoam on top of the presoak. And then rock mount blasters. always kind of cool when automatic car washes for in-bays do like 2 things at once. It's not as common as... That is so cool. Spot free already? That was quick. Clear coat. Clear coat was lit up. That is it. Wow, that... It was really fast for the top wash too. Or wait, no, I don't need that on yet. I believe these are Coleman hand dryers. 40 seconds. You're doing pretty good. Well, wasn't expecting it to go that fast, but anyway, I gotta head on to Wichita now. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and see you on the next one.